Judge, answer me. Oh God, I forgot your real name. Hello? Hello? Lady? Heather? Ashley? Madison? Girl?
Hey man, you don't have my bounty, do you? Dude. Racist, you don't have my fucking bounty, let me go.
I'm gonna find a cop.
You're gonna find a cop. Fuck yourself. There's a reason why I have a bounty.
Well, I don't know.
Fuck
you
yourself.
just tried to steal my stuff. I gotta give you to a cop.
Let me go. Let me go, or else.
Why do you have a bounty? It's because of stuff like
What?
you're just doing. That's why you got a bounty.
I don't have to explain my bounty to you. You're a fucking asshole. Robert, help me. Go buy a gun.
How
shoot
am I
the
an
guy.
asshole? You tried to rob from me. How
I
am I
didn't
the
try to
asshole?
rob you.
And then you said you were gonna kill me. How am I the asshole?
Because you fucking rammed your car into my friend.
I was
That's
parked.
why you're the asshole.
I was parked and he rammed into the back of my car. I told him to repair it and we'd be good. How am I an
You
asshole?
can't turn me in, dude. You don't have my bounty. Let me go right now or I'm logging out.
How do you know I don't have your bounty?
I can tell.